We hope that you come here, that you feel welcome, that you be a member of the First Credit Union or just stop by and say hi. We really pride ourselves in being friendly and first in service, and really, at the end of the day, just people helping people. So thank you so much for coming out and supporting us here at First Credit Union. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you.
All about people helping people. That's why I wanted to be a part of the credit union 7 years ago when I became an employee here, and that informs what I do every day. I get to help people. How many people get to say that with their job, that they come and they show up and they get to help people for a living?